Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X19 S, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. Now to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do it right now. Power key and volume up. And once you see the CUBOT logo, let go of the power. Actually, we don't see a CUBOT logo, we just see the boot mode. So anyway, from here, using volume up, you can navigate, as you can see, and you want to have the first option selected, and then press volume down to confirm that first option, which is recovery mode. This will bring us to the Android logo with no command. There we go. And to get past this, all you need to do is hold power key, press volume up, and you are now in the recovery mode. So in here you can use both volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So anyway, from here we can reboot the device and go back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which is gonna take us back to where we were, apply updates from SD card or ADB, wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system view logs, run tests, and simply power off the device. And like I mentioned, whatever you select, you confirm with power key. Because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with reboot system now, which will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.